On behalf of ExpertVillage.com, this is Paul Lewis, and I'd like to welcome you to how to create a 3D animated character in the program known as iClone. Enjoy. Okay, so to start off making our customized 3D character in iClone, we're going to open iClone and we're going to come to our main screen, and as you can see in the window, there's already a default character that you see. We're going to go up to Tools and click on Character. And then from the template section, we're going to choose the male bodysuit character. I'd like to start off with the male bodysuit character. Double click on it. It'll bring it right into the window here. It's a bodysuit that you can texture things onto, and you can change the face. But I like to use this because of the fact that you have a complete blank slate, and you could work with any area of the body. You could work with the face and the shoes. You could just have a fresh start with this type of character here. So I want to go right up here and click on Face, because the first thing we're going to do is import the face that we're going to use on this character. So we'll go up to Tools, we'll go to Load Image, and I'm going to find in my Textures folder here a photograph of a face that I found. It's loading the face. And there's the face.